Right, so Aliyah, the question was log. No, Kiera, go help me with this one because this question is dedicated to Kiera. That's what.
What? No. My brain not working.
Your brain will work, don't worry. It will work. It will work. By the way, how your friend going? Amara. Something so.
Amara, yeah.
How is she going?
She's good,
Nice, nice.
I guess, yeah.
I know you just go by her when it's on Wi-Fi. She's a real one. She's a real one. Real one for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so Kiera, the basic rules, right? Anytime you have to do a log question, you have to either use the product quotient or power rule. In this case, since you're seeing a minus on the left-hand side, what does that suggest you to use?
Quotient?
The quotient.
No.
So the quotient, yes. And what would I write? Log base k what? Tell me. Log base k what?
What I have in my book, the second line alone, basically, you put in the 4x plus 2
Yeah.
over 2x plus 1
You're saying that
close
very,
bracket.
very unsure.
Because I just get mixed up with this.
I'm sure it's less complicated than you think, right? So this is the general rule. Anytime you have the same log base, let me just say I have log base AB minus log base AC, that's equal to what, Nicholas? What's the rule for that? That will be equal to log base A what?
As E over C.
Yeah. So Kiera, no matter how complicated it looks, once you have the same log base, and there's a minus sign in the middle, same rule applies. So don't be startled. And on the right hand side, yeah, can you use any other rules or it's already simple? Tell me. The right hand.
You leave it just as it is, so it will be log k brackets 4x minus 1.
Now, since I have the same log base and I have one log on either side, so Kiera, let me explain what I mean by that. Over here, how much logs you had? Tell me, on the left hand side, at the first line. How much logs you had?
2,
Okay, and how much I have now?
2,
How much I have here now?
1,
Right.
1.
So once you have one log on either side, you can drop the logs. So drop the logs from them.
So, okay, so since you drop it, it will just be 4x plus 2 over 2x 9 plus 1. Plus
Right?
1, my bad.
And that will be equal to,
And if you drop in the log, it will just be on the other side, it will be 4x minus 1.
right? And here we're going to do, I'm going to write that over 1. I'm setting it up so I could cross multiply. Are you familiar with cross multiplication here?
Richie, repeat what you said, mommy come in the room and she was asking or something.
Okay. Are you familiar with cross multiplication?
Yeah.
And you do it whenever you have what? What's the criteria to use cross multiplication?
I mean, I want to say is when you have like kind of like fractions, but like it's not like
Yes,
fractions, but like
yes,
it correct. Okay, okay.
that is correct. Whenever you have two fractions on either side and you want to write it, like the problem with this is you have things in the denominator, but when you cross multiply, everything is be on top. Yeah. So the first one, 4x plus 2 by 1.
Yeah.
What's that? What's 4x plus 2 by 1? Here, what's 1 by anything? If I ask you, where's 5 by 1? Where's 5 by 1?
5.
So where's 4x plus 2 by 1?
Um, 4x plus 2 by 1. Well, 4x plus 2.
4x plus 2, right?
Yeah, I didn't mean to say by one.
Anything by one, you get back the original thing. Like if I ask you, it's 1,000 times one, you tell me.
That's all. No, it's just like the way you say it so fast. It's like, where's 4x plus 2 by 1? I had to
Oh,
process the question
oh,
now.
okay. I'll go a little slower. Right, so over here, what two things are being multiplied? Tell me what to write on the right hand side.
It'll, it'll be like 4x minus 1 and then 2x plus 1. Right?
Is the way you mean?
Is that correct? Yeah. No, yeah. Yeah.
Here, I need a definite resound yes, I need to know. I need to know.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Yes.
All right. Um, and now we had to do what with these two? Anytime you have two brackets, what to do?
You do like, I don't want to say it's not cross multiply, but like you just sing it by each other.
Thing it by each other.
I
I
don't.
like that phrase. I will say
Yeah, sing it by each other.
I can't spell your name wrong, watch. Key error. I spelled it wrong?
Like, yeah, you spell it correctly. You spell it wrong the first time.
And it's
Spell it
also
correct.
correct,
Spell it
that's it.
correct.
And it's be like key error. Like it is like it's like error, error. All right.
Yeah, you just leave out the e.
Sorry. And what you say?
Sing it by. Sing it. Yeah, let's sing it by the next one.
Say no more. Let me see if that's gonna work. So you tell me what to do. I'm listening. My ears are open.
So that would be like 4x by 2x,
Right? So you
and that would
think
be 8x squared
so you think
because it's
before
like
by the two
x.
x,
Yeah,
right?
and then that would be 4x by 1.
Right?
Would it be? And
Yeah,
then that'll just be 4x. And then it will be minus 1 by 2x. So that'll give you minus 2x. And then minus 1 by 1. That'll be minus 1.
perfect.
Yeah?
Perfect. You're
Right.
cooking there, you're cooking. You're cooking up a storm. Right. I feel like the problem is happen when you actually had to do a question yourself. Hmm.
Yeah, and it's just like, I know, like, if I was doing it, like, I know how to do it, but my mind is just go blank when I see a question. Like, like, I think I just need to practice more questions to just be able to know. Because remember that test I get like 70 something one. The only reason
Yeah.
I get so high was because like I do questions over and over until like I remember how to do it.
See, that's what you have
Oh
to do.
god.
That's what you
Yeah.
have to get good in maths. Right?
Wait, Reggie, from which you said the book was?
The book is 150. It's colored. 150.
Just now wait. Some mommy is right here. I'm going to tell her. Mother.
So, Aliyah, did you see what you did wrong? I mean, if you understand what you did wrong.
Yeah, but that was such a little small mistake.
It really was.
Go back to myself now.
Nicholas, I see that you did not make that mistake.
Nah. Make sure and check it over.
Nice. I see you was going to use the quadratic formula and thing. Ooh.
Yeah, I make a real big mistake when I was multiplying it and I end up using the quadratic formula in the two different questions.
Oh, shucks. Uh, by chance, you have a Casio calculator?
Nah, I still have sharp.
Oh, God. Hey, what? If you had a
Yeah.
Casio, I'll show you some really good life hacks here. Aliyah, is the Casio helping you with your maths and hard maths?
Yes.
Nice. For everybody with a Casio,
Okay, Reggie. So mommy say.
Oh, talking about that. Um, so like I walked down today and I real thinking you was gonna pick up Sasha.
oh, nah. I had class with
She seems
Ion in the
oh
evening. Yeah. Like I finished with China around 2:30 and thing. Yeah. Hmm. Kiara, I believe you were saying something.
Oh, I was saying that how mommy say yeah, and she would just let you know when she get the money to pay for it. So I'll
All
let
right.
you know, I guess.
Well, I'll have to print the book and thing. Because I sold out my last copies. I sold out all my copies. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Right? Nicholas and Aliyah, you all want a copy? Let me know. If you all want a copy, I could give it to you all.
Pagalayan.
All right, no problem. Again, it will make our life very simple. So Nicholas, like we just say you wanted to revise integration. Like we just say you wanted to do that. All the questions here. So you have all the integration questions and the differentiation questions already there for you. You know that. Same thing with log suits and indices. Like we just say you wanted to revise log suits and indices. You have all the past paper questions are organized for you already. So yeah. Aliyah, you let me know too if you want to. So I'm taking it by order. So Kiara, you see how you say you're interested in one? I will print one, right?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I'll let you know if I want on.
okay, not a problem. So Kiara, what we end up with over here? Anytime you see X squared, what's that?
Um, so where is it?
Anytime you see something with X squared, what do you call that? Start with Q.
Quadratic.
Right. And
M? Yeah.
we want to put it in the form of a quadratic. So we're going to move across everything to the other side. Or you can move across the 4x plus 2 to this side.
Okay.
So if I move across 4x plus 2 over on this side, right? I will end up with 0 is equal to what?
You just put the zero first? I
Listen,
have to put the zero. You just put the zero first?
you could do anything, you know. Since I move across the 4x plus 2,
Okay.
I don't have nothing on that side anymore. I don't have anything. So now it's 0.
Okay, well, okay. Normally in school I just put the zero after. I just get accustomed to that. But basically you'll end up with 8x squared
Hmm?
plus 2x
Right?
minus 1
Right?
plus 4x plus 2
If I move across 4x plus 2, what's gonna happen there?
minus 4x plus 2.
Ah, you're getting minus.
Minus 4x minus 2.
Yeah.
Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2.
You can't get it can't keep lacking like that. So no, you gotta watch out for your signs. You gotta watch out for your signs, right? And tell me if you see any like terms. You see any like terms here?
What do you mean by like terms?
Okay. 2x and minus 4x, they are example of like terms. Because both of them are x terms to the
Oh,
power. This and this, those are also like
oh.
terms because they're
I just call that, listen, I just call that the thing that is the same. You know?
I like that.
Why use like
I like
okay,
that.
okay, I'm sorry. So yeah, so it had 2x and then I have minus 4x.
So where's 2x minus 4x? Where's 2 minus 4?
Minus something. Just now wait. Let me
Because
get the calculator.
Nicholas, where's 2 minus 4? 2 minus 4.
The answer is
Minus
just
2.
minus 2x.
Right. And lastly, we have minus 1 and minus 2. What is minus 1, minus 2?
Minus 2.
Yeah. All right, so now we need to factor,
I
right?
need I should learn.
What is that?
I say I should learn like minus and like stuff, so like I'll get off the facts. I should learn that.
If you want, I could do a session with you like after all of the exams and thing, so you can master that. But it's not that hard. Look
Yes,
at
please. Thank you.
so what? 2 minus 4. You're taking 4 from 2, you're gonna remain with 2, so minus 2. I don't know if that makes sense. But if the negative number is bigger, you'll get a negative number. If the positive number is bigger, you will remain with a positive number. See, so Kira, you see how the negative 4, the negative was bigger than the 2? And you see that? And you could observe that?
Yeah.
You're going up with a negative answer. If instead of negative 4, it was positive 4, and this was negative 2, you remain with 2. Okay? So now we need to factorize this. So here, I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. When you're factorizing, you're going to look at the first term you have. So Kira, what's the first term I have here? In the quadratic, what's the first term?
8x squared.
How can I multiply to get back 8x squared? What by what is 8x squared?
4 by 2. So it will be like 4x there, and then like in the next bracket it will be 2x.
Right?
And
Good.
yeah,
Right, going good. And then you're going to look at the last term. How can I multiply to get minus 3? Tell me. What by what is minus 3?
then we say, oh, I don't know. I honestly don't know what it is like. Probably
Somebody.
like minus. Probably like I feel like 1 and something.
So Kira, to get 3, right? Forget about the negative. We had to multiply to get 3. Do overthink it. We had to multiply to get 3.
1 by 3
Right? 1 by
equals
3. So if you want to get negative 3, it will be positive 1 or negative 1.
positive 1.
Right? I just confirm that in a calculator. Put minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 3. Tell me what you get.
Minus 3.
Right. So we experimenting here. Let me just put the minus 1 over here and the plus 3 over here. Let me see what will happen. Kira, let's expand it out quick. 4x by 2x, that's what? What's 4x by 2x?
Oh, 8x squared. I didn't realize I was good.
What's 4x by 3?
Well,
And where's minus 1 by 2x?
so it
Minus by a positive is a negative.
okay.
So
So that would be like
would that give me back minus?
minus 2. Yeah.
No. 12x minus 2x is 10x.
Or I thought they mean like I thought they asked me always minus 1 by 2x.
Oh, no.
I lost one right now, so but like it had to be the opposite way.
Yeah, because I'm not working out there. Let me try the other way.
So
So try that now.
okay, so that would be like 4x by 2x is 8x squared, and then 4x by minus 1
Mm-hmm.
is minus 1x. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. And then 3 by 2x, that will give you 6x.
So put minus
And
4
then
up
3
6
by.
in the calculator.
Okay, wait.
But this night, but we gain 2.
2.
You get 2.
2.
But we had again negative 2.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
what do you think I should do with these signs then?
It will switch to be 4x minus 3 and plus 2x plus 1.
Right. And will that work out now?
Yeah.
Let me see. So Kira, we don't really bothering with this and this. We're really bothering with the 4x by the 1 and the minus 3 by the 2x. So where's 4x by 1?
4.
And where's minus 3 by 2x?
minus 6x.
And what's 4 minus 6?
What?
What is 4 minus 6?
Oh, my bad. 2 minus 2 minus 2.
Right. So does it work out now?
Yeah.
Right. All right. So then, Kira, you would say 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. And then you go say 2x plus 1 is equal to
0.
right? And then if I want to find for x, how am I going to find for x? How would I find for x? Hmm. Tell me, Kira, how would I find for x?
Um.
Okay, no problem.
Pause. Wait. No, wait. Oh. Let me think. Let me think. Wait.
All right.
Pause. Let me scroll back to the notes.
This is maths more so, not really hard maths.
Yes, Rajiv, and I'm terrible at maths.
We're gonna work on that. So, Kira, general rule of thumb. If you're trying to find for something, you're leaving that unknown on one side, and you're gonna move across all the numbers to the other side. So let me ask you a question. We're trying to find for what's over here? We're trying to find for.
X.
Does this have x in it?
Yeah.
So you're leaving it over there. Does this have x in it?
No.
And send it across it. So tell me what I would write now since I carry it across. So I carry across the minus.
That would. Yeah. So it will be positive 3 now.
Yep. So 4x would
And but then if it's just so it just be 4x equals 3, right?
you going
Yeah.
good?
And then I remember I had to like do something here now, like for like it's usually like thing with the doubles. So like it'll be would it be 4x
So
divided by
imagine
3?
you buy 4 doubles and it costs $3. How you go find the price for one?
You divide it, so it will be um 4x divided by 3.
Wait, if
Yeah.
you buy four
Boom.
doubles for $20, would you divide by 20?
Oh, you divided money by doubles. Okay, so it'll be 3 divided by 4.
Right. Yeah, had when you're gonna divide by, it had to cancel off what was on top. Must. It must. Right? So x would be equal to 3/4. I wish doubles was our price, boy. 0.75 cents. Here, what do you think? You like doubles?
I no, not really. Like it had to be like a real good doubles, and I had a few hits.
Ali actually missing out, cents.
Big time.
Yeah. Right? And Kiara, help me with the other one. So does this have x in it?
No, so it will be 2x equals minus 1 because
Right.
it's a positive x, right? And then that will be 2x divided by 2.
You're very
Then
close. Well, wait,
2x.
wait,
Okay,
so what should
okay.
divide by on both sides? What should divide by? You tell me the correct thing,
2, 2, 2, 2. Just 2. No x. I just always make that mistake. Just 2.
right? Like I say, it must cancel off like that. So x is equal to
Minus 1 over 2.
right. Aliyah, are both of these solutions valid? Are both of them correct, Aliyah? Are both of these solutions correct?
Um, the first one.
First one is correct. How about the second one? Can you find log of a negative number?
No.
Nah, so this answer is wrong. Can't find log of a negative number. So, negative. So anytime you all get a negative answer, that pressure in the camp. Cannot find log of the. So, Karen, what's some time to copy this down?
What you say?
Want some time to copy this down?
I was writing as I was doing the thing.
Okay. So you good to go?
Yeah.
All right. Nicholas, how are things on your end?
Realize I'm actually on some popcorn here watching Kara struggle.
You like to bully Kiara, would. Oh, good.
Also,
So, Nicholas, I see you went wrong somewhere. Somewhere you went wrong. Hmm.
yeah, the same place with the signs.
Wait, me,
Right out after moving all the numbers to one side.
yeah, I see. So like when you had move across the 4x, right? The 4x would have become what?
Negative.
And the 2 would have become?
Negative.
Right. So you guys had to watch out for this step over here. This one over here. Oh, you know, like Cassie, you could solve the whole question for you. Like no joke. You could plug this question into your Casio.
Yeah, I know give it the values.
Yep.
Okay.
Casio was that broken. It's insane. So watch out for this line here, guys. Nicholas said it's bullied here. I feel like it is bullied given. I
Just bully me.
serious? Oh Lord,
Serious.
We just work together with his friend group after school. I just barely talk to Nicholas because he's lying.
nah, Kira does seem like a bully, if I'm being honest. Kinda. Maybe. Probably.
Just call my email.
That's so offensive.
He's called it emo, like emo kid, like that.
He doesn't look emo. That's not a lie. That's the truth. How is that bullying if I'm simply stating the truth?
He looks like an emo.
So I was telling him,
Wait. Nah, Kira, it can't be violating the guy like that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. So in general, I notice all they have problems with signs. Hmm. Nicholas, you good at taking signs? You know, like observing the surroundings.
nope.
Oh no. Alia, what about you? Are you good at observing the
Um,
surroundings? Hmm.
yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes when I really pay attention.
I see.
You
So,
could zoom in a little bit.
all right.
Yeah.
So, Alia, I noticed you made a mistake, for the second question.
Really?
If you take the 2 and bring it up, that would now become x squared. I see you right log base 8x all squared. But nah, if you bring up that 2, it could just be by the x. So it'll be x squared.
Oh,
Yeah.
log 2.
Oh, so you Nicholas working. So Nicholas, I see you do most of the working, but you didn't find the x and just x.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, no, see that.
Let me just run through back your working here. And you know you do the correct thing. You do the correct thing. Yeah, you do the correct thing. You do everything correct. Wow. Big up yourself.
Just the last part I didn't do.
Yeah, just the last part you didn't do. So you had to find for x now. So you're just gonna put 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and you find for x from there.
Yeah.
Nicholas, is that curtain? Is that like curtain? I think a curtain sheet in the background, or like a bed sheet. I'm trying to figure out what that is.
Now a bed sheet.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So Kiara, give me a reason why I didn't do the homework. Like valid reasons only.
You want the hardcore truth?
I want the hardcore truth, be honest.
Okay, so see the thing is, I had this GeoSBA to do. I'm not saying that advanced not as important as Geo. Basic thing is, I had a jolly maps for GeoSBA since you know I got better draw than Adon and thing. So you know
Nah,
people tell me
you don't control better than me. But I
no,
understand.
he
It is
can.
SB.
He
It is
can.
SB.
Yeah, it was the SBA thing, and my teacher was being real shitty about it, and she
Yo,
made
yo,
me do
yo,
it over
language,
real.
madam. Madam, language.
My shitty isn't that possible, but okay.
Yeah.
And like I did it, and then like when she see it, she was like, "This good. They had to change this and this." But the thing is, the thing she told me to change was already there, so I don't understand what she wanted me to change. So
Wait,
I just ended up doing it over anyway and coloring it, and then like it was good, and then yeah, and then I get sick, and then I never do anything for anybody of
okay.
my teachers. So yeah,
But one of these days I had to do the homework because it's always say you do it. It's always say that.
I know I feel bad now because I just always say I'm gonna do it, and I see that I end up forgetting or just not doing it.
Let me ask Nicholas, Nicholas, what you feel is the case here, boy? What do you think going on? What do you think?
Don't ask Nicholas. Ask Alia. Alia is nicer. Ask her.
Well,
Nah, I
well,
like people.
No.
Nicholas, tell me the
before,
honest truth.
before I was rudely interrupted by Kira, know how I feel?
Tell me.
She tell me that how she watching a movie right before class.
What?
I have a strange feeling. She gets sick and sleep whole week.
Whoa,
And she kind of
that's crazy.
Well,
That's crazy.
when you are listen, when you are sick, sleep is rest. Rest equals getting better. Okay. And I was watching a movie because I was eating food, and I have to watch something when I'm eating food. I don't
Okay,
understand how people just eat and stay
real,
in space.
real. I relate.
Like,
I
and right, I need to watch
Your
something while I'm
reasons are
eating.
valid.
That's
Exactly.
that is true.
Exactly.
I even myself I do that. I never had the habit, but my girlfriend made me like no, I need to watch something. I don't know. I think it's like a guilt thing. You know, like
No, it's not. It's an everybody thing.
Nicholas, you just need to watch something. See?
Aiden knows how to watch something when he had to eat too.
Bryce too.
Oh,
So yeah,
so so Aliyah, you have this copy down, right? Let me know.
yeah.
All right, let's move on to the next question. Nicholas, can you tell me what you got for your answers? X is equal to what?
x is equal to negative 1/4.
Ah,
And
make a mistake there.
let's see.
Be careful. Check,
Oh,
look how I did this.
signs again.
Yeah. So you had to learn to take signs, guys. Guys, this is like a life lesson here. Like, you had to learn to take signs.
I can't take no kind of signs or hints or nothing. I feel wrong with me.
All right, so let's do the other question. Aliyah, since you made the clumsy mistake, you will do the question with my Kiara. Please don't go watch Netflix and think in my class. Pay attention. You know?
I would never. I would never. I'm not eating right now, you know.
Okay.
I'm paying attention. Why would you ever think that of me? That's very offensive.
I apologize. I humbly apologize. My deepest apologies. Thousand apologies. Right? So 2 log base 8
Thank you, thank you.
is equal to log base 8. And this question had a trick. Ali, I don't know if you saw the trick. Let me just check back your working. Oh no, you fall for the trick. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. So Aliyah, let me just run through back the rules, right? Whenever you're doing questions like this, normally the first rule, right, is to use use the quotient product or power. And that's the first rule.
Mm-hmm.
But to do this, you must have the what?
The base,
Right? You must have
the same base.
the same log base. Look at the right hand side. Look at the right hand side, this side. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what's the problem there. And Nicholas, you could assist her if she needs it.
Um, the one doesn't have a log base.
Exactly. So we gotta convert that. Have to convert that.
Yeah. Oh, oh my God.
Okay, Mr. Jonathan.
Yeah.
You know Jonathan?
For real?
Nah.
Yeah. Aliyah, he just be kinda mean to you, you know. He just be kinda mean to you.
The first two classes, he was okay. And then after,
He mean to everybody.
He is mean to everybody, but today he had he C-sec test. Yeah. If I say the kind of questions the paper traders have, I'll be like, nah, boy. Yeah. If you're not doing AdMath SPA, the paper tree is crazy difficult. Yeah.
I'm gonna start my maths SPA soon.
Okay, nice. If you need any help, feel free. Also,
Wait, Aliyah, you doing maths and admaths in school? Well, admaths
Yeah.
in school?
Yeah.
How come you have admaths SPA? Because I don't know, in my school, they tell me since I do admaths, it's just one SPA for maths and admaths.
No, well, I don't really know because my teacher never talk anything about art maths SPA. She only talk about maths SPA.
Okay.
um, do you guys know about ChatGPT?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's my lover. That's my cool
Oh,
husband.
you know what else does help too? Snapchat AI.
Oh yeah, Snapchat AI, that's work too.
Yeah, that helped me real plenty today.
But ChatGPT is the G. That's the G.
Yeah.
That's the dog. Right? Okay, so Aliyah, on the left hand side, what rule you have to apply?
The power.
All right, I'm going to apply the power rule. So Aliyah, I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to move it up by the X. So what will that become? You tell me what to write. I'm listening. I'm writing exactly what you tell me.
Oh gosh. Okay, well it wouldn't be x squared, so it could be log base 8 2x.
Nicholas, you agree with that?
No, that wrong.
I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't hear what she said.
Whoa. Yeah, you know that's happened with Jonathan too. That's happened with Jonathan too. Anytime I ask Jonathan, he's be like, what?
Wait, it wouldn't be x squared?
It will be X squared because I take it
Oh,
and I'm moving it up to the top. How?
guys, I do that.
No, you write 2x. You write 2x.
No,
Let me show you what it's supposed to be. I'm gonna show
no,
you.
the second line I read x squared.
Nah, I'll show you the difference. You write this,
Yeah, I write that.
but it's supposed to
So
be,
the brackets wasn't supposed to be there.
nah, you're just supposed to take the 2 and move it up to the top like this. That's all.
Yeah.
Right? So just remind me, what is the power rule? Give my example. I
Oh
would just say,
gosh.
I have log base a b to the power n, that will be equal to what?
N log base AB.
Right, and if I wanted to reverse it, I would have to take the n and bring it back up to the top.
Yeah.
That's why we call it the power rule.
Mm-hmm.
And you see no brackets involved there. None, nada, no brackets. So now you know. Right.
Yeah.
And that'll be equal to log base 8, 14x minus 3. Now, I want you to pay attention to the right-hand side for me. That one, we had to do something with that one, you know, it's like a mighty scandalous over there. Like a little demon. The catcher. If you want, you could ask Nicholas what to do. I could try to figure this out.
And you'll have to convert it to log base 8. So
Right.
it could be log base 8.
Yes. And
I
since it was,
remember.
and big up your whole self. And since it was -1, it will be negative log base
Log
8.
base 8. Yeah.
Bam. And here what? They had the same log base now and you have a minus sign in the middle. What to do?
Use the quotient rule.
Yeah, use the quotient rule. So that will be equal to log base 8.
14x minus 3 over 8.
Yes. Kiara, can I drop logs at this point?
Yeah,
Yes. And explain
yeah,
why we
yeah,
drop
yeah.
and explain why we're gonna drop logs. Why can I drop logs there?
Because we have one log on each side, and then and there's a reason.
Yes, you have one log on either side. That's the reason.
Yeah.
I feel like you go make a good teacher, you know. Nicholas, what do you think?
Reggie, if you hear what I talk, I will say the thing, and you want to the thing by the thing. What is the thing, Reggie? Like, I will be such a bad teacher.
I just do that too. I just say, move that over there. You do that. You know, are you saying I'm a bad teacher? Is that what you're saying, Kiara?
No, you're a good teacher.
I,
You just
I,
explain things, and
well, I just saying, you gonna make a good teacher because you have a likeliness like me. You just say, you just say it in simple words. You go say move the thing. You wouldn't say like,
I guess.
you wouldn't say transpose the item to the left-hand side across from the
Drop
base
it, drop it,
log.
drop it. What is? Drop it. Transpose it. No, just say do that by that.
Right. Simple. So, Aliyah, if I drop off the log base 8, what would I remain with?
X squared is equal to 14x minus 3 over 8.
Come on, that one more time.
X squared is equal to 14x minus 3 over 8.
Yep. Handle that skillfully. And you have, what if you got to do there? You could write x squared as a fraction and what to do next?
Not cross multiply.
Oh, Nicholas, you
No,
hear
and
any doubt? You hear any doubt
yeah,
in Aliyah voice?
She said she did. She said.
She said the correct thing. It's like, Aliyah, I don't know what is going on. Like, it has some demon there. It's called, it's a doubt yourself. You tell me the correct thing the first time. Whenever you have two fractions, you have to cross multiply, right? You really know Jara, yes?
you
Um,
see,
come if you if you come home with Sasha, I'll get the incense and I have a bunch of incense. I will light it on Jara and yeah, right? So tell me what is next.
um, right, 8x squared is equal to 14x minus 3.
Right? And what we had our what are looking, what are shaping up to look like?
Mm,
How about Q?
a quadratic
Yep. So if I want
equation.
to make a quadratic equation, I had to move everything over to
The left side? No, the right side. Why say?
no, any side you want. Any side you want.
Oh, but
Does not matter.
enter this be 0 equal to whatever.
It don't matter. It could be any side, you know. It could be any side you want. Any side.
Move it to the right side.
I'll move it to the left side because if you move it to the other side, you'll get negative 8x squared. That will make
Oh
it
well, yeah, that's true. But then you turn the 14 into negative
right. So that'll become what?
minus 14x
I'll move across to minus
plus
3.
3,
And that'll be equal to
0.
right. And now we need to factorize this. So to get 8x squared, what are two things I can multiply?
4x by 2x.
Okay, and what is our way? I can multiply to get 3. Keep in mind, I had to get a negative in the middle there. What by what is 3?
1 by 3.
Now, if you tell me 1 by 3, how are we gonna get a negative term then?
Oh, positive 1 minus 3.
But if I do that, I wouldn't get back 3. 1 by minus 3 is minus 3.
So then minus 1 by minus 3.
Yep. And we want to get minus 40. If I put the minus 3 over here, it will multiply by 2.
2
And
give us 6.
that wouldn't work.
No.
Some of that will work. What is 4x by minus
No.
3? Let me expand it fast. What is 4x by minus 3?
12. No, minus 12.
And what is minus
X.
1 by 2x?
Minus 2x.
And what is minus 12x minus 2x?
Hold on, huh? Wait, minus 14. Oh, yeah, that'll work.
Does work. Right, so I learned this method honestly from doing question after question after question. It's something you just see over time. It's just something you just see. So Aliyah, let me show you how I thought about it. Well, 4x by 2x, right? That makes sense. 8x squared. You want to get a negative term in the middle. So if you use positives alone, how you gonna get a negative, you understand?
Yeah.
So I'll look to see negative 1 by negative 3. Now I want to get minus 14. So I'll put the minus 3 here because I know you're gonna multiply by the 4x. Because let me be real, if I put the minus 1 over here, I will end up with 4x by minus 1 and
Mm-hmm.
that'll be what?
Minus 4x.
And if I had put the minus 3 over here, I go end up with where's minus 3 by 2x?
Minus 6x.
Would I have gotten the minus 14?
Nope.
Would I get minus 10x? Right? All right, so then I had to find for x now. How would I find for x?
Wait, you put the 4x minus 1 equal to 0,
Right?
and then you carry across the minus 1.
You're going good.
So it'll be positive 1. So x is equal to 1 over 4.
Yes. Here, how much did I catch?
I'll keep them up to date, you know. All right, yeah.
Okay, so how would I find for x using the other bracket?
It will be, so basically, that will be 2x minus 3 equals 0. And,
Yeah.
right? So that will be, if carry across the 3, that will be just 2x equals 3. and then you divide everything by 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Sure. You're a mathematician. All right. So x is equal to what?
Oh, my bad. X is equal to 3 over 2.
Nicholas here. Got those answers?
Yeah.
All right. Say no more. Nicholas, I hear you was bad in advance. In what aspects really? What are you bad in? I don't see what about it.
Well, 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 well. In the most recent test, I do terribly.
What you get?
Well, I didn't get back the results yet, but
Hmm.
I leave out half the paper.
Well, here what? If you get back the paper, send it to man, I will do it, but I don't mind doing that.
Alright.
Yeah. Right. So anybody who wants to copy this down, you all can copy it down. And then we're gonna move on to the log test now. Kiara, you have any questions regards to this?
No, I think I'm comfortable with this. It's just that I need to practice it plenty to remember how to do it.
All right, so fair enough. The next question I'm going to do, we're gonna do a graph question, like what you doing in school. I did that in class already, but I don't think I had plot a graph. I don't think I had plot a graph.
Okay.
Nicholas, the last test you did was on differentiation and integration.
The last test I do was every single topic since Form 3, since I start advanced.
Oh yeah, Shiva boy, I had master stats in Form 3. Oh yes. That's why earlier, so I had the girls here because I'm now start advanced.
But the thing is, in Form 3, our teacher was Miss Priya, and she beat out all of the long topics in Form 3.
I need to really remember much of that.
Not at all.
Hmm. A car rush quality. Uh, so as soon as you have that copy down, you'll let me know. Um, Kiara, you ever do alpha and beta before? Sum and product are roots.
Yeah, I did that the first term, and it was easy, but then like I forget like the rules, and but it normal.
Okay. So Kira, what do you think I should do next? Like, think quadratics and polynomials I should do that?
Yes, because and that's when coming up, and I forget how to do all of them things. So
Okay.
yeah.
I want to do a session for you before the exams. We run through everything.
I just know for my exam, he bring in everything he teach. So I had to
All right,
review everything.
no problem. All right, so Aliyah, I didn't hear from you in a while. I wonder if you have all of this copied down.
Yeah,
How
I
long?
was writing.
Yeah, you still copying now when you finish.
No, I finished.
All right. Um, yeah, right, you finished with this? Copy down?
Yep.
Okay. Well, Nicholas again, correct. So, yeah. Right, so I did it before, shortly. Kiara, I don't think you was in class for this.
No, I don't remember this.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do an example. So, Kira, I want you to read this question to me.
The values of p and x in the table obtained from an experiment are taught to obey the law of the form p equals ax negative minus k.
To the power,
Oh, you
minus.
just read that? The power to the power of minus. Right. To the power of minus k.
And
Yeah.
I just wanted to remind me, what is the equation of a line? Remind me, what's the equation of a line?
I beg your pardon.
What's the equation of a line?
Um, I don't know. I
Somebody,
mean, I think I know it, but
I
not
want
really.
I want somebody to tell me the equation of a line. What's the equation of a line? Anybody know what the equation of a line is? Nicholas, you know what that is? Equation of a line?
Wait, I want to say it's the gradient, but I don't think that's correct.
Nah, it's only gradient.
Okay. Wait, the
Yeah,
gradient is the steepness of a line.
Yeah. I saw
Okay.
as I down.
To find the length of a line?
No, I looking for the equation of a line, the general form of a line. What's the form
your
of a
equation itself.
I never do that.
yes?
Like y is it's like you mean like the formula? Yeah, y equals mx plus c.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's going on with your mic? What's going on there? Going crazy. Yes, this is the equation of a line, right? So I need you all to be familiar with it. Nicholas, I sure you see this before. I sure you see that before.
Yeah, I was not gonna answer that.
Yeah, that's the equation of a line. And Aliyah, what about you? You can't tell me. We do that in form for maths class.
No, yeah, we did. Sorry, we did.
Right.
When I say the MX, I remember.
Oh,
Rajiv, I coming back. I go into my graph book, which in my bag, which outside. I come back. I run in.
oh, yeah, right. That's cracked me up, yes. Oh my God. Somebody just whisper into the mic. Oh, I hear anything. Feel like hearing things in them. Nicholas, what you just do like hobby wise and thing for fun and what you just do?
Well, it's have a lot of things that art does and
So like give me an example, like you just play games or you just draw.
nah art does play games but not as really a hobby. Art
Like
is like
competitive
do martial arts and music and or acting and then
acting.
yeah.
Okay, I see you. You do photography.
Photography, no, but I would like to get into it.
Okay. Um, I sure I could teach you a thing or two. I just do photography. I have a camera and thing.
Yeah, I see that on your Instagram.
You scope out my Instagram already.
I scope I, I scope out everything.
Where you jail? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. What you think about the photography?
It's nice. I was thinking of joining the Shiva Boys Photography Club.
You know, I found out from Miss Lucky.
Yeah, I hear about that too.
Ask Miss Lucky who. I'll ask Miss Akshay or you. Yeah.
I actually
I had to wait for Kiera because Kiera is the one who had to do this.
I wasn't aware that I was supposed to immediately say I'm back. I was back. I've been back. I've been here. I was talking about photography and thing.
Right, all right.
Hi.
Hello, how are you? I hope you are well,
Good.
right? So, converting exponential equations into linear form. I went through it briefly. I'll go through it in detail now. An exponential equation, basically, that's whenever you have a power in your equation, right? So let me give you an example. Let me just say we had y is equal to ab to the power x. And Kiara, just remind me, what does a straight line look like again? What is the equation of a line?
Y equals mx plus c.
You seeing any powers in this? Tell me if you seeing any powers in that.
Nope. Nope.
No. Are you seeing a power in this?
Yep.
Yeah. What we just do to get rid of the powers, to get the power to the side. Is one of the rules.
Wait. I'm watching my book here. So basically, what I had to do is like you had to like expand the whole thing to make it into the formula like y equals mx plus c. So therefore, you had to take the logs on both sides. I don't know
Right?
if I'm making sense, but I'm making sense.
And why we taking logs? Why would you take logs? What's the reason for that?
Because, um, no, A and B are consonants. I've seen my book here already.
Okay,
Why you like
okay.
to ask my
Let me
definition?
let me think about it, right? What is your rules for logs? Remind me, what is the three rules? Remember the three rules?
No, I'm being
No?
real honest. No, no, no.
Oh no. Kiara, you have to cook. You know, you have to cook in the kitchen. This is not it. You will get there, you will get there.
Listen, I'm a very good cook in general, but like you see, when it comes to like I could do things on paper, but like if I ask you to explain it, I'll say thing and thing and thing, and you're supposed to take the thing by the thing. That is like asking actually person for direction. It don't the road around the corner.
Oh no, I can't give correction. I do the same thing.
Yeah,
So watch. If I have logs and I have a power, what can I do with the power?
you put the power in front. I don't want to say make like I don't know if this correct, but like you kind of put the power in front, so like power is kind of like the subject now. I'm
Yeah,
using
I
language
will, I
arts.
will, I will take
Yeah,
that because now
yeah, cause yeah, using language arts.
because you no longer have a power now, right? You no longer have a power.
Yeah, and like a beginning of a sentence is the subject. The
Mhm.
subject.
Yes. Nicholas, you understand what I mean?
Yeah,
Yes.
understand.
So in a straight line, you have any powers?
Straight line?
You have any powers there? Y is equal to mx
Nah,
plus. No.
nah,
So to get rid of the power, you gotta apply logs.
yeah.
So let me do that.
and then the power.
So I'll do an example over here. Actually, I'm gonna work a little up to doing that question. The question I did in class was pretty difficult. Can I go for that? Kira, on a scale to 1 to 10, how evil do you think I am? Yeah, just
You're not evil at all.
whoa.
Depends. No,
Yeah.
it depends. It depends on if you're given homework and thing. You
Oh,
know?
I'll give you more then.
No, like you could give homework, but like if you give hard questions for homework, like that one time you give the, like this hard question for homework,
Hmm.
and I just watched and say I couldn't do it. Yeah,
You pull out Leah there.
yeah. Me and Leah on the same boat.
Aliyah, you do that, you know, if you see something hard, you'd be like, nah,
I know.
oh God. Oh God, hey, what is that? But the ego. What is that? That is be you, that's me. Hmm. When you
That's
could
so good.
question. So first of all, what's the exponential equation? Um, exponential equation. I'm gonna describe it like Kiera. That is an equation with a power. Kiera, what do you think?
Yes, yes.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So this is an example. Nicholas, see if you can get my example of an exponential equation.
Um, um, Exponential equation.
So look at the definition, it's just an equation with a power. That's all.
Oh, alright. So let me say 1 equals 2, 3 to the power of 4.
Now you had to tell me it in terms of variables.
Alright. Um, 3x equals to 81.
Should I again?
3x equals 81.
Does it have any powers in this?
Nah.
Nah, so that's a straight line equation. Let me get another example. Let me just say we had y is equal to a k to the power n. That's another example. So you see we have powers, right? These are exponential equations. We have powers. Cool. Let me look at straight line equations now. Nicholas, I'm sure you can give us some examples here.
Alright, straight line equations.
Wait, and straight line equations, they just have any power in it,
Nah.
right? No power. So give me an example of a straight line equation.
Well, most obvious example would be y equals mx plus c.
Yeah, yeah. Give me another example. But for values. Power value for the gradient and power value for the y-intercept.
Alright, so y is equal to 6x plus 5.
Right. And remind me, what does M stand for in the formula? M is a what?
M is the gradient.
Right? And what's the formula for the gradient?
Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
And C is a what?
That is what I do.
That is a y-intercept. Imagine you have a graph, wherever the graph cuts in the y-axis, that's a y-intercept. Or just say you have a line like that, that's a y-intercept. You understand?
Yeah,
Right, so copy that down if you need to. Kira, you find that hard scrappy? Got to see.
You know, my opinion is not important.
I just curious. You find that hard scrappy?
No.
You just make it out?
Yeah, let's make it out for sure. You're right, Scrappy. Nicholas is right, Scrappy.
Oh,
His
cool.
handwriting is horrid.
Let me look back. It's not that bad, honestly. It's not that bad. Really not that bad. Not that
I
bad.
can't judge. I just write Scrappy sometimes, so I can't really judge. But you're right, Scrappy. He's right normal.
I just
You see
write
what she attacking me?
And you know it's something that's be real nice and color coded and thing, aesthetic.
I representing Cabby,
Yeah.
right? I just and you know them solutions you just find online? Everything just in black and white. I just can't stand that boy. Oh god. I just can't stand. You know you need some color in your life.
If always see
Exactly.
all of my subject notebooks, or they will attack because I just only write in black.
Oh wait.
I kind of like a perfectionist now, so I just write everything in school in pencil, and I just had to come home and rewrite everything in like neat forms in another book, So to be real nice and neat.
That's crazy.
But yeah,
You're bored?
no, you clearly are just simply scrappy, delinquent behavior.
He's a basic. He basic.
He just called me a delinquent, so he is a delinquent. Ooh, Reggie, what are those?
Those are fine tip markers. I use them when I actually writing on paper. They are very nice.
Guys, where they post up on your status with, how long I never write on paper.
Yeah, it feel real nice to write on paper with that.
Ooh, they look real nice. They look real nice. Oh my god, and I see the thing where they said I robbed the man who was working from Toko to Ika, I feel so bad.
And he
Because,
look
like, he wasn't doing anything. And, like, they just robbed the man. Take his phone, how you they go do the man that? He done had no way to sleep.
and he was trying to show off the good in Trinidad. Just imagine that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Cool. So let's continue, right? Everybody have on the board? Manu?
No, I'm almost done writing it down.
Okay. Ali, how Bryce going?
He good?
I think he was sick as well.
Yeah. He okay now though. He real okay now.
Nice. Nicholas, you see bacon shop?
You read the
If you just eat bacon shop,
charts in Artmax.
you know what?
In Artmax.
No asking. If
He
you just
asked if you just eat bacon shack.
Big. I thought you say I thought you say data charts. Oh
what?
yeah, this is like I just see data chat.
Yes, yeah, much shark they're killing these days. I love bacon shark, boy.
But I just eat everything.
Oh. What religion are you?
You just eat up the data charts and add maths.
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
He's saying add maths. Yes,
And add maths.
that's
I
mad,
listen,
Nicholas.
listen. I thought he said data charts.
In Caesar chance. Oh
You
my.
real focused on add maths right now, boy.
You see, Nicholas, he's a scholar. That's why I wouldn't.
Yeah.
He's a scholar. He getting that one for sure. He copying that in the bag. Getting that one. Yeah.
I don't
Yeah, he thinking about the data graphs and I thinking about the bacon shack.
Very two different people. So let me get some questions to practice on. Okay. So the first one. Um, example. Um, converting Nicholas, you ever do this before?
yeah.
Okay. Ali, I didn't forget you. For pink color, put pink there. You know, big up yourself.
Thank you.
Right, so the first example we're going to look at, we have y is equal to ab to the power x. Alia, does that look like a straight line?
No.
No, because you have a what? We
A
have
power.
a power. We can't have that. Well, you could, you just not do logs and thing. With logs, it have any rule involving powers.
Yeah.
And if you have a power and you have logs, we can do the power.
Bring the power in from the log.
Yes. So you had to know all the rules for logs. So let's just recap it real quick. And Kiera, I'm calling you for that. Because I feel like you need to run through that. So Kiera, the product rule, how does the product rule look like?
Am I allowed to open my book for this?
Oh,
No.
I hear the pages turn.
Oh God.
Nicholas, very
Let's have
dishonest.
enough time.
Nicholas, you're very dishonest.
I'm not dishonest. I'm turning the
Very,
pages.
very, very.
I'm letting you know I'm turning the pages.
Hmm.
Are you hearing them? Very crisp pages.
You know what I mean? I mean, you're not doing any work. Yeah, your book, your papers.
Yeah, my
Sure.
book dusty.
Hmm. If you was doing
Oh.
it, you'd have turn the pages plenty and thing on the pages so I get short. And Nicholas,
Nah, my notes will mix up. If I, like my school notes will mix up.
Yeah,
And
they
then
see now. That's because she's a big dealing,
she's a what?
okay,
a very
okay.
big delinquent.
I see, I see.
Okay, data shots. I see you. Okay.
Hey, the man focus on his work. I can't really blame him. You know, he focus. He's a man of sheer focus, sheer will. We have a John Wick in class.
Is the indomitable human spirit.
Yeah. This is an English class, you know. We, oh my. So, Kiara, the product rule. That's where you have the plus in the middle. So,
Okay,
oh,
so you know where you have a plus, you turn it to multiply. Is that it? I think.
yeah. Yeah, so if I have
Okay.
log base
Cause,
AB,
cause I'm not finding the notes. Where?
so you copy it down. So if you have log base AB plus log base AC, that will be equal to what?
Log AB multiply by log AC. And
No, nah, that will be log base A, B by C.
same difference, you know. Like, you
Ah,
know,
really isn't
cause
it?
like is this? It is kind of because both of them is log A, so same base, you know. Same
Right?
difference.
We are combining it into one.
Okay.
Nicholas, Kira, let's argue plenty.
Plenty, my head does hurt me and thing, man.
Oh God.
Nah,
Okay.
joking, nah, joking, nah, joking, nah, joking. She's a quiet child.
Quiet, I doubt that. I highly doubt that. Are you being held at hostage? Are you being held at gunpoint?
No, I not like I am really quiet unless like somebody tell me something. I'm
Hmm.
quiet.
So Kira, if a plus was multiply, waiting the minus sign is. If plus is multiply,
Divide.
so tell me what to write. Take inspiration from this.
It will be log AB.
Wait, you gotta see
No,
properly.
wait. I
Log
want.
this.
I think. Wait, just a wait. I'm gonna say like two options, and I'm gonna tell me which one correct. Okay.
All
So
right.
like, would it be like log A brackets B over C,
Wait,
or
yes.
like
Yeah, that first one is correct. But you tell them
okay,
log A is supposed to be log what?
log to the base A, log.
Log B is A.
Okay,
Log
log
B is
base
C.
A.
That'll be B over C. Right? And the power rule? It's power rule.
That is, that's the one way making the power the subject.
Power
And
the object. Now, imagine if I have
yeah,
log this.
and like you put in yeah, it will be n log
Oh,
to the
that's
base A. Yes,
you talking in
Richie.
terms of English. You talking in terms of English.
I literally said it prior to this. I said
What
putting
you
the power in front is like making it the subject.
and he was talking about literature and English and thing. Again.
Yeah, but
I don't like
not.
English. I don't like English. So let me look at this question here. Your first step when doing questions like this, you're going to apply log on both sides. So I'm going to apply log on both sides, like so. I'm going to see how much of all I can catch in here. Nicholas, you think I can catch you? Think I can catch you lacking?
Highly doubt.
Okay, okay. Nicholas, can I take the X and move it to the side?
Yeah.
Oh God, I catch you lacking there. I got caught in 4K.
You catch right?
I catch you, I catch you.
Let me answer now. Let me answer now.
All right.
Me. I want to answer.
Come here.
So, this would be, you hear me properly? My mic not glitching or anything. You had to hear me properly.
I hear you.
Even though I might be wrong. Right. Okay. So it will be log y
Wait, wait.
equals
Yeah, log y is equal.
log 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 a plus log b to the power of x,
Yes.
and then that will be log y equals log a plus, and then you take in the power there and put it in front, so that will be b equals so it will log a plus b log x,
B
and
log
then
X. Nah,
since
nah.
no, you're not letting me finish, Richie.
Wait. No. You said B log X. Where you get B log X from?
The power. You're putting the power. Oh, X log B.
Oh,
My bad. My
Nicholas,
bad. You're putting
you see,
the power. Listen, I had the correct thing.
Yeah.
So right. And then since the formula thingy for the equation for line is y equals mx plus c, you put in log y equals x log b plus log a. So that is like y equals mx plus c. So the y would be like log y, the m would be x,
You
the
going, man?
x would be log b, and then like the c would be log a.
All right. Make up your whole self.
Right. You see?
Redeem
I
yourself.
understand. Yeah. Right.
Nicholas, you may explain why you carry what you do?
I understand, I catch it when she say.
I was still explaining it, eh? I was still explaining it.
Yeah.
Aliyah, I was still explaining. Would you have movie X to the side? Be honest, Mo, would you have done that? Any example?
No. Well,
You
yeah, probably in the exam, because I would have been rushing and not thinking properly.
so I have a question. What if this was the question instead? What if it was log open bracket AB to the power x?
Um, Probably.
Nicholas, what do you think? If I had brackets here, would I change it?
If you have the brackets, yeah, we'll change it.
Right.
Because the brackets mean that both A and B have the power x.
Exactly. So then I could take the x and
That's
move it to the side.
over.
Yes, perfect. But over here,
Yeah.
only the b is being raised to the x, not the a. All right.
Yeah.
So that's why I have to split it up using the product rule. I do the opposite side of the product rule. You have a by b, right? So I could write probably write that here for you. You have a multiplied by b to the power x. So I'll split that up using the product rule. Right? So I have the product rule coming in handy here. And Aliyah, you understand the part where I put it, where I rearrange it?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm unsure.
You can explain it, Bob.
Okay, so Aliyah, we want to put it in the form y is equal mx plus c, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you understand how I take the x and bring it to the side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this. Y is equal to mx plus c. So y, that is log y. But look at this earlier. Log a, that's a term by itself. You notice this part of the equation have m by x. So that will be the x by the log b. So I had to rearrange it and put it like that. You confused?
No, I understand.
You see, the problem is log a. Here what you do from earlier. In the calculator, where to put log 5. Put log 5 in the calculator. Tell me, is that an unknown or is that a number? Log 5.
What was that?
Put log 5 in the calculator. Log 5.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Do you get a number?
Wait. The base could be 10?
Yeah, basically 10.
Yeah, I guess 0.698. I got whole decimal.
Right. So log a is also a number, right? And if you're looking at the equation of a line, isn't c also a number? Isn't c a number? Like if I ask you to write the equation of a line, you might tell me y is equal to 7x plus 9, right? So this part over here, and that's a number,
Yeah.
right? So log a is a number, so I have to match it up. I have to just basically match it up, right? So y is log y. Wait, what m looking like? What is m looking like?
Um, X log B.
Is it?
Because of the X?
Wait, Kira, you made a slight oversight. Slight mistake. Slight mistake. You want to tell you what you do?
Sure.
If you want to put it in the form m by x, actually, so you see how
It
you have,
will be, oh, it will be B in front. It will be B log X.
no, it will be log b. Well, yes, basically,
X?
the thing is in. It will be like this. So this
Okay.
so it will be this thing in brackets by x.
I still cooked, okay? I still cooked. I'm proud of
Still,
myself.
you still cook, right? So, um, tell me what is y equal to then? Y is what? If you compare it, y is what? Nicola.
Why?
Oh,
Oh,
and
oh.
Kira. Yeah, Kira, tell me.
I thought you was asking me now. I'm sorry. So it will be
Yeah,
log
yeah.
Y. Y
Y
is
is log
log
y.
Y.
Right, Nicholas? What m go be equal to?
M would be log B by X.
Nah, watch. If we compare it,
Well,
start.
M,
So,
M would just belong to block B.
right? And x will be equal to what in this case,
X.
right? And Leah, lastly, you, what is c equal to?
Log A.
Yep. Yeah. Why you doubting yourself so much? Wait. This had to stop someday. Someday.
Someday, just not today.
Hmm. Right, so let me give you all one to do. And you all could use this as a guide. So let me explain, right? So in this graph, so Nicholas, if you had to plot this graph, what would go on your y-axis?
On the y-axis.
Mhm. What come like y?
Log A.
Log y, right?
Oh, yeah,
And what come like x? X is just what?
X.
Yeah. So if I want to get a straight line, I would have to plot log y against x, I mean. Log y against x. Yeah. And I'll get a straight line. Right, so once you all are done copying this down, you can try the other question then. And then we're gonna do a CSAC question. And that'll be it for class today. Nicholas, the first class I had with you was a crazy day for me. Yeah, that first
Oh,
class I had with you, that was real crazy. That's why my energy was so different. That day was nothing. Yeah.
how come?
I think that was the day I got any accidents. I'm not sure.
Get an
Something.
accident.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I don't know but I think it was a day or something, but I ruined my day. So I was contemplating whether to cancel class, but I was like, nah. You know, let's say first class semester. So I was like, I should have it,
Yeah,
But
yeah.
but yeah.
That same day, that was on Saturday. Last week, week before.
Yeah. I think it was a Saturday.
Yeah, real thing went on for me too.
What happened that day?
It was real low. Hmm. Well,
Law
boy,
or law?
law. Was the plot.
Law as the plot? I confused.
Character development.
He means like law as in like
LORE?
law is like real drama.
Yeah.
LORE. Yeah. That's how
Like,
you just talk. Law.
oh, so you know how like Game of Thrones law or like Hunger Games law. I cannot.
It's like an entire storyline.
He's an Englishman.
Not really, nah.
Do you like English?
English is just nah, nah.
One of your amenities. It's just something you have. Also, you know Suku?
Can you repeat that?
You know who Suku is?
Suku.
Yeah.
Um, from where?
English teacher.
Oh, yeah.
He is the G.
He, I think he like me too much, you know.
He is the G. Why you say that for?
Well, boy, it was a free period I had with him, and something me and my friends and them was doing, boy, but he put me to stand up outside for the rest of the free period.
Oh, Lord. Nah, he real cool. Oh, and upon Ricky. You know
What
upon
was that?
you know upon Ricky.
Hmm?
Upon Ricky.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He is so hit people tap on thing.
He used to have hit people tap.
Yeah.
He don't
My
look like a,
my class is a real gay boy. And I was in like in Form 1.
yeah.
And you see the balance and thing too.
He's I I thought he was a very peaceful fella
Who? He
on the
is.
JK.
He's very cool, but um if you get vexed, you go hit your heart up.
Well,
I've
I
seen
never even knew that.
I've
I
seen it.
find I was pushing my luck at him too much.
If you want to test it, just push your luck a bit too much.
Nah, I ain't that in office almost every month. I had to relax myself.
You used to be in the dean office? What?
Yes, regularly.
For what?
Hmm. Well, boy, is the plot, is the plot.
So
Yeah,
you
man, Nicholas, tell him where there's been the dean office for.
so he's the delinquent then. Nicholas is the delinquent.
No, I just do my work and thing, and
Yes, he is.
it's just outside our class hours. It's a different story.
Hmm. Oh. Is that recording? Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Please don't tell me you sound like the stereotypical South Coolie boy.
Um,
You sound like a stereotype.
nah,
Nah.
nah, nah, nah.
It depends on where that stereotype consists of.
You know, like the Edgar cut and like the
Oh, nah, nah, nah.
No. Nicholas actually have real nice hair. He have real nice hair. He have hair like yours, like he hair real silky.
oh, okay. So he's not like like them Edgar boys with
No.
the tree with the short pants.
No, that's not Nicholas.
Okay. You know what I mean? Like them boys have been C3 with the short pants sagging and like they had the Edgar cut and they vaping.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Oh God. That's trauma. That's the worst.
Not too much at I and Shiva boys right now. I'd be different.
Yeah. Alia, I feel like Bryce is playing to that stereotype, a little bit. A little
A
bit.
little too much.
Yeah. Right? So try this question here. I want you to convert y is equal to kb to the power x into linear form. Yeah, you send me answer then. Alia, Alia,
Yes, I did. It's wrong, and
Alia. I tell you,
I
boy.
do it. I do it wrong.
I tell
No,
you,
but that's
it's
how you do
right.
it.
It's right. It's right. It's correct. Correct.
Oh, that's
I
what we're talking about.
I trying to reinforce self-belief into you. So like if I
Yeah,
tell
but
you
you
wrong,
talking like if you talk like if it was wrong.
no, but you have to stand up for your answer, right? You have to
I
stand
was
up for your
gonna tell you that's how you do it too.
Well, I did do it like that, so I mean,
Exactly. So
Valid, valid.
if I get it wrong, then you had do it wrong.
Exactly, yeah, yeah, yeah.
My handwriting so neater.
It is, yeah. You just need some color in that.
Let me
No,
be the judge of that.
you should see my other page. Let me send you a picture on my note.
Let me be the judge of that. I wanna judge it.
Hold on.
Nicholas, are you getting through?
Wait, send it on the group.
I almost finished it.
Look. I send you my notes.
Wee! That is gorgeous. That is well done.
Virgie, you could zoom in on the question, please.
Okay, Miss Lady.
There's a R.
What you see
No,
now?
no, like I just asking. There's a K. Oh, there's a K. Virgie, why you couldn't just write the K normal?
Oh my. You something else, you know. You were something else. I'm coming back, guys. Nicholas, that is correct. Speak up yourself. So I think I'll already. Please see that question now. Yeah.
Alright.
Nicholas, get a graph paper. If you have graph paper, yeah.
Yeah.
Aliyah, same thing too. Yo guys, what's going on? I'm back. Guys, I'm not feel hearing me.
Hello, good day. This is KFC.
Yeah.
I want 12 piece with our biscuits and fries.
Hi,
Yeah.
Kara, sponsor.
All right, say no more. Kiara, I'm grateful. Kiara, I'll make sure Aidan buy some snacks and things for you tomorrow, right? I'll make sure.
Oh my god. Thank you, thank you.
And if they don't have money, I had a sponsor. Yeah. Wait, what you like biscuits and thing? Like Aidan?
I like cookies
Oh, I think it's like a
and ice cream
Aidan is a
and
skin tone boy.
cashews. I love cashews. Like I just love cashews. Reggie, that's a lady thing.
Cashews is elite. So you have y is equal to log y, m is equal to log b. Perfect. Perfect. Right, everybody getting things correctly? Nice. Past paper question time. By the way, yeah, have a special guest. Have a special guest. You know who that is?
Sasha.
Your girlfriend?
It's my girlfriend. She will tell her.
Hi.
Oh no, she will tell her hello just now. She did. She not here at the moment.
Okay, okay.
All right. So, what was the equation given to us? Who wants to help me with this question?
Kiara.
Okay, and they even have a key
But
here.
even though I was gonna volunteer, how are you gonna just throw me so you throw me to the wolves?
So this is the equation we were given, right? Here, does this look like y is equal to mx plus c?
No.
No, it does not. It's like in real ugly.
Yeah, relatively, relatively.
It looking like anybody, you know?
Okay, Rajiv, let's continue with the question.
I feel like you was gonna call somebody and be mean, you know. I feel like
Yeah, it looked like Nicholas.
I was wrong. I didn't want to say that. I feel bad for Nicholas.
Honestly, I find that equation very appealing.
What? Very, very mixed views here. All right.
I almost finished that equation actually.
Oh yeah, you're doing the question by yourself.
I'm making a fuss at it.
Making a try. Nice. So first things first. Kara, what would I have to do on both sides?
You had to take logs on both sides.
So tell me what to write.
I write in two one time, so it will be log p
Yeah.
equals log a x to the power of minus k.
Aliyah, can I take the minus k and bring it to the side?
Mm, hold on, huh? Yes.
Ah.
No, you can't because it's not because it have no brackets.
So that minus k, what is the only thing that being raised to that power?
X.
X, so you can't do that.
So you have to separate it.
Yes. So Kiara, tell me what to do next.
I just write things real long, so I don't know if it's some of my steps unnecessary. So then like it will be equal to log p equals log a plus log x to the power of minus k.
Kiara, I would say
Yeah.
no step is unnecessary. Um, I don't believe in leaving out steps. If you leave out steps and our stairs, how you go climb? You know? Philosophy 101. That was actually smooth, though, like, you know? If you don't
You
have
know who you had to
steps,
tell that to?
who's that?
John.
Oh yeah, because he just skip.
Yeah.
If I let's see what we was doing last night for the revision, Look at this.
Oh,
Look at that.
that's real nice.
It's just letters you see in there, you know. It's just letters you see in there. Oh. Hmm. Yeah. Anyways, Kiara, tell me what to do next.
Okay, so that will be equal to log P equals log A plus. I'm not sure about this because like if you're taking the minus K, right? Would it still be like plus minus K log X?
You're correct, but where's our plus by a minus? Positive by a negative. A positive by a negative.
Um, a
Anyway, let me solve this problem one time. We need to solve it.
You didn't write it last time, you know, is minus. Is it minus? Probably minus.
Yes.
I don't know.
A
Okay.
positive by a positive is all,
Positive.
right? A negative by a negative is all,
Positive.
right? And lastly, well, second to last, with a negative by a positive,
A negative.
and with a positive by a negative,
A negative.
right? So we have a
Okay.
positive by a negative, so we are not with,
A negative.
right? So tell me what to write then.
So it will be log P equals log A minus K log X.
Yes.
Okay.
And
And then
what form we want to pay it in?
you I'm gonna finish it. I was
Sorry.
continuing.
Okay, tell me what to write.
Right. So that will be log P equals since you wanna pay it into Y equals MX whatever. Would it still be minus K or would it just be K log X?
There we minus K log X.
Right. I put that, so it will be log P equals minus K log X plus log A.
Right. So tell me, now it's in the form, Now it's in the form because you have Y,
Yeah.
M, X, C. So tell me, where's Y?
Y is log P, M is minus K log.
Wait, be
And
careful, be very careful. Wait, log D, that's a whole term by itself. Minus K, that's a term by itself. That's M.
yeah. And then like X will be log X and then C is log A.
Yes. So, here, excellent job, Dave. Excellent.
Thanks.
Cool. Right, so Y will be equal to continue. So, Kira, is the same thing just now?
Why? Yeah. My bad. I thought I was talking, but my mic was mute. So Y is log P, M is minus K, X is log X, and C is log A.
Perfect. So, we're going over a little bit, right? Because today's the last class for logs. So, I just finishing it up. Next class, we're going to move on to another topic. So, yeah, bear with me. Sound like all you have plenty energy. I don't know where all that energy coming from. Ooh,
Friday.
what?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. That's where you're getting
Yeah.
energy.
It is. I was so energetic and happy today in school just because the week was ending.
Oh, they want to know something.
Let me hear.
I only went to school one day this week.
You're flexing.
Yes, I was home all week.
Good for you.
It must be real.
So I
nice.
mean, she's a delinquent.
Oh, yes. That is why. Why forget that?
I'm sick. No, it was because I'm sick. I'm sick.
Nicholas, you believe that? I find she sounding real healthy, you know.
I find so too. She help balling and thing. Or and people around and thing.
Yeah, like yeah, she Rajiv, I do that, and thing.
You, I don't so I just sound like that. Oh my god, I'm going to
Nicholas,
shut my mouth
and
now.
she does something like that.
She just like that.
She'll be like, Nicholas, yeah, gosh, boy. That's-
Y'all are so mean.
wait. You did tell
I'm
me.
going to
Wait, at the start of class, Nicholas, you remember what she said? She said, if you say any truth, that is not being mean.
Yeah, you're right,
So
She
we
did.
not being mean, we just being truthful, you know?
No, no, y'all are exaggerating the truth. Therefore, y'all are
Hmm.
creating false statements.
What? Wow.
Yes, y'all are exaggerating the truth. Exaggerating the truth isn't the truth.
Huh? All right. Huh. Nicholas, some arguments I can't win, you know. I just see the reality of it.
That's real.
You have to agree to disagree, you know?
Also, yes.
So let me ask you a question. If you wanted to get a straight line graph, you would have had a plot what against what?
It's to be log P against log X.
Yes. So here what? They give you the values for P, they give you the values for X. You gotta find log X and log P. Right? I'm gonna do the graph. So let us proceed. So this over here is log X. So who wants to plug X into the calculator? Log X. By the way, Aliyah, you understand what I just now do? What the log P and the log X.
Yeah.
You don't sound so sure, you know. Tell me.
No. Log x is on the x-axis and y is equal to log p.
Perfect.
So that could be on the x-axis.
Correct. So now if you wanna draw a straight line, you need to find log X and log P. So we gotta find log X. So plug this into your calculator. So that'll be log 1.58. And tell me what it gets.
Hold on, the base could be 10, right?
Yep.
I'm just making sure. That'll be 0.198.
Right, round it off to two decimal places.
0.20.
Right? Nicholas, plug 2.51 into your calculator.
I log A. My calculator is not working.
Sharp again, honestly. Sharp again.
Literally. Same thing I say.
I know where's the problem. It's the
Yeah, but
light.
that's the problem.
It's
That's the
the
problem.
light.
Huh.
Is the lighting as so serious? Because if the lighting not directly on the solar panel thing, then the numbers do show up.
Sharp
I use
again.
my flashlight. So the log of
The
0.50.
answer is 0.40.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
you.
get
You
that.
can answer the next. You can answer the next one, Nicholas. Sorry.
That's
Aliyah, imagine if Desron was in class. It was in this class. He'd be like, he'd already got any reaction.
Yeah.
Nicholas, I don't think you know. Yeah, nah, you don't know that's wrong. You don't know that's wrong. I don't think you know who that is. I tried the other one, 3.9.
the other one would be 0.6.
Right on, 6.30.
Um, 0.80.
And the last one, somebody. Oh, wait, oh, they don't have to plug any calculator. Where's log base 1010?
Log 10 of 10 is 1.
Bam.
You see, I so smart.
Yes, you are. You are. You're a scholar. Right, I need somebody to find log P for me now.
The first one is 2.08.
Wait, say that again?
2.08.
What's the next one?
2.04. 2.02. 1.99. So that'll be no 1.99. So that'll just be 2.08.
Nah,
If
wrong at all.
you're not rounding it.
To 2DP.
Yeah.
If you're on it off, you get 2.00.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the number before the 9 is 6. So,
I see. And the last one?
the last one, hold on. 1.97.
Right. And the log x that is going on which axis?
The x-axis?
Yeah. This here. That's the x-axis. And log p, that's which axis?
Your y-axis.
So let me just write down the coordinates one time, right? Let me do that. So what's the first coordinates? It's always the x and the y. So what's your first coordinates?
0.20.
0.20, comma,
2.08.
right? 2.08. Oh, guys, like, look at the friend that's here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How's this?
This is with Aliyah and Kiara, the new kid.
This is the class I promised cookies.
Yes, yeah, promise. I'm
Oh,
cookies.
Yes, it was me. It was me.
Yeah, Aliyah, she deserves the cookie.
Wait, who's the new one?
Nicholas, say hi.
Hello, good day.
First of all, it's night. Good night.
Sorry. Hello, good night.
Oh,
What's this, Matthew?
is that Mas?
Oh, bye.
She said bye way.
It was at math self we was doing last time.
Yeah, is that Mas?
Waiting for them.
Yeah.
I still waiting for them to teach me how to do logs.
We finishing logs.
Yeah, next class we're gonna do something new.
Oh, I could choose one of them to explain it to me.
I feel like Nicholas, he like to explain things, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
I do feel so. No? I feel Kara should do it.
That's a good statement, you know, because Kira, I say she will be a good teacher. And she's explaining things simple. Kira, quiet now. Good.
Hi.
Oh my girlfriend phone. Kira, you wanna explain it to her?
Which thing are we doing right now?
Yeah, when I plot on the graph.
Sure.
Okay,
If I
so
could, yeah. Yeah.
my girlfriend say get ready. She's gonna give us some hard questions.
Okay.
My girlfriend is even better than me in maths. She's
Nothing in maths.
like she PhD in maths, guys. I don't have anything. Don't shut up, boy.
Then she should teach me maths.
I find so, right? So what's the next point, Kira?
The next point will be 0.40 and 2.04.
What's the other point, Nicholas?
0.60 and 2.02.
By the way, everybody had a graph paper lined up. All they're locking. And I hear all there. Aliyah, you have graph paper?
I have graph paper, but I don't have a ruler because
You have a ruler?
it didn't take my ruler by life
You
hard.
should take it back and beat him with it.
Oh my God, we encourage violence. Oh God.
And I should
I agree. Me and she would be such good friends. I
have put an
agree.
ear on.
Oh my God. You don't go cry.
Let him cry.
All right. And oh yeah. Kira, my girlfriend we done good too. Their birthdays are on the same day.
We have the
June 17th.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll send her a happy birthday via you. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what's the next? What's the last point, Kira?
Is 1.00 or just they had to put it 00 or just
Yeah, for the 0, 0.
yeah. Okay. And then 1.97.
Yeah. Right? So let me plot this. Let me plot this graph. So guys. My girlfriend is currently looking at me like a fish. Why you looking at me?
I'm going to go get a ruler. I'm going to get a ruler. I don't want to be in.
You're gonna beat Aaron?
yeah, man.
I don't have time to waste on Aaron.
Whoa. Nicholas, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Older or younger?
Younger. Well, I have other siblings too, but not full.
Like step siblings?
Yeah.
Oh. So you just harass your sister, your sister's like harass you. How is it go?
She's terrorized.
Oh, Millie's video the other way around?
I think she was Sankara.
No, nothing else than Kiara. Who? I just,
That's very,
oh
very
God, she came out. Oh God, way. Hmm. I way, huh? Lord, I'm kidding. All right. So, what was going on in y-axis, guys? What was going on in y-axis?
Beyond the y-axis.
Log P. And what color was log P? Log P was in red. And the other one was
Log x.
so we need to come up with a scale. What when this draw here, that looking like a smile, like a sad
You're
face.
looking like a nose.
A nose.
A nose.
Ah.
Yeah, looking like a nose.
All right. So let me show you how to come up with a scale, right? Let me show you. So on the x-axis, what is our smallest value on the x-axis? Tell me, guys, what's the smallest scale on the x-axis?
0.97.
Say that again?
On the x-axis, the smallest value is 0.2,
Right? And we go all the way up to what?
all the way up to 1.00.
Right. So let me figure out our scale, right? Now, typically, you want your scale to cover more than half of the paper. Typically. Yeah, can use a multiple of 3. And you could use like 2, 4, 5, etc. Right? So let me try something. Nicholas, if I do this, let me see if it will work. That might work, you know. What do you think?
Yeah, that will,
Yeah, that'll work. Because if I go to say every 2 is 0.1, I wouldn't have space. I will need 20 blocks for that. You understand the logic?
yeah, and
What about every 2 is 0.5?
Every 2 is 0.5.
will be
Yeah.
too small.
Oh no. Wait, if that is the case, your graph will be this.
Or every 2 is Oh wait, never mind. I was going to say something, but it didn't make sense.
Okay. So this over here, this could be 0.1, could be 0.2. So Kiara, you should really look into the physics lessons. You know, you could be with your friend, maybe with your friend, sorry, Aliyah and Nicholas. Yeah. Waiting. You'll get to bully Nicholas. I know you like to bully Nicholas. Nicholas, you think
I mean, sure.
she go
I
bully you?
think she should come to the house.
Yeah, so I mean, you can come to our class and see how it is. Just chill, you know, free of charge. You just check it out. Yeah.
You should say
Just let me know when, and I will join and see.
Well, it was yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. It's Wednesdays. Why are you biting me? Stop biting me. I teach in a class. So everybody here, yeah, you know. Oh. Guys, if I just say about ouch, you know why?
We're not hearing your girlfriend, you know, you simply outing your girlfriend.
She biting me hard, boy. Hey.
Because I love Rajiv. It's her way of showing love.
Okay.
You know, at some point you need to ask, do you really have a girlfriend who bites you? Or am I just a voice in your head?
What? And who wanna help me come up with the y-axis? Man, who wanna help me with that? Anybody? The y-axis is a bit crazy.
Since I like crazy things, I will assist with you.
Say no more. So
Um,
basically, that's value on the y-axis.
so the smallest value on the y-axis is 1.97.
So if it started at 1.97, you think it makes sense to start from 0? You think it makes sense for me to start at 0, 0?
No,
No, so I should cut the graph.
yeah.
I should start the graph at what then?
Start at like 1.5.
I can start at 1. I will start at 1.
Alright,
Let me see if that'll work. So I thinking to say every 10 blocks that is another 1.0. So let me see if that'll work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's gonna be 2.0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that'll work. What was the biggest value?
2.8, 2.08.
Okay. Right. Yeah, we can do that. Now in AdMath, it's not so important to make sure your graph take up more than half the page, but still try. Still gonna try to maximize the space we use. Right? We're gonna maximize the space we use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this will be 2.0. And then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That'll be 3.0. So Nicholas, how much? If I say in every 10 blocks is 1, how much one of these small blocks will be?
One of these small blocks would be 0. 0.
It says 0.1.
Wait, hold on. It'll be 0.2.
0.2. Take your time, let me show you how to do that. So what shall we go and do this, right? You have 10 blocks and the 10 blocks is equal to 1, right? So you come and
Yeah,
divide that 1 into 10 parts. You put 1 over 10 in the calculator.
yeah, 0.1.
Right. I think we could use a bigger scale, you know. I feel so.
Wait, Rajiv, you break the axis?
Yeah, break the axis.
Okay.
Let me think if I have a better scale to use. One that would cause less trouble. I think. You know, I could, Nicholas, I could listen to what he was telling me, you know. I could listen to what he was telling me. Instead of starting from one, I could start at a bigger value. So, where you want me to start at?
You could start at 1.5, or you could take the highest value on the y-axis and divide it by the amount of big blocks in the entire graph to get a proper scale.
Could do that. Now, I don't want to start at 1.97 because we had a kit after that, 1.97. So I could probably start at, let me start at, let me say, I could go with like 1.8, 1.80. Feel like that will work. If I doing that, let me see how we go work out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me try using this scale. So let me just say every 1 centimeter is 0.01. Let me try the scale. So Nicholas, this could be 1.8 watts. If I use a scale.
That's one would be 1.82.
This could be
1.82.
And if we do that, it'll be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's going to be 2.00, 2.01, 2.02, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You think that scale will work?
Yeah, that go.
Yeah, and taking up most of the graph page as well, so I'll do that. Right, so we're gonna let every 1 centimeter be 0.01, and I'm starting at 1.80. The reason I'm starting at 1.80 is because the graph starting at 1.97, guys. So once I start before 1.97, I'll be fine. It don't make sense for me to start from 0, 0. So Nicholas, just tell me what to write. So it's 1.81. Just keep counting.
1.82, 1.84, 1.86, 1.87, 1.91, 1.92, 1.93, 1.94, 1.95, 1.96, 1.97, 1.98.
I got into some trouble.
Yeah,
So I got to start even earlier. Or even later down the line. So I'm just gonna shift the scale. Once I do start at 1.97, I'm good. So we want to start at then. I'll just shift the values up. We want to start at then. We want to start at 1.97. I'll start before.
it starts at 1.85.
You try that. Right. Yeah, so this will be 2.01. Come up.
1.02, 1.04.
Oh no, we gotta go even gotta start even earlier.
We say start at 1.87.
Let me try that. Actually, let me start at let me start at 1.90 to make sure it has space.
Alright,
Make sure it has space. I don't want to risk it. Once we start once we start before 1.97, we good. All right, so tell me what's right here.
2.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, and 2.09, 0.1.
Right. So that graph will account for everything there. It will account for everything, hopefully. Right. I really hope it. I hope it. So what's the first point?
This point is 0.2 and 2.08.
Right? So 0.2. That'll be right here. Let me know if you're confused by that. So that'll be 0, 2.08. Kira, what's the next point? Kira,
What's that?
what was the next point?
Next point for what? Oh, my bad.
Delinquent.
It's no, I was just confused because I was fixing the axis all the time and I was just
Nicholas, he doesn't know the rebels, you know. He doesn't know them. He doesn't know
It
them.
is no them, it is no them.
is 0.40 and 2.04.
Right. Right here. And Alia, where's the other point? Alia.
Hello.
That girl sound like Amy for a second there, boy. That's what I was Amy. I say, what?
Wait, hold on.
Kira, am I hearing things? Did she actually sound like Amy just now?
She did the way she just the way she's like hello,
Hello.
yeah.
That sound like hey. Nicholas, and you and Amy went to primary school together or something? And she had told me that. Was it you and Amy that went primary school?
Yeah, we went primary school together.
I see. Alia, I was not going to say taking a little too long.
Sorry.
Good point.
2.00.
Wait, next rebel here. So we just now plot this one on this one. So what's the next one?
Okay, so it could be 106.2.
Right? Wait, 106.2. What the hell? What?
Yeah, I was confused.
That would be 2.02.
Mhm. Who is the rebel now?
Well, I was the center. Let's call it out.
I
I-
call it out for you properly.
I must I admit I probably put that in there by accident.
Yeah, I think so.
Nicholas, a part of being mature is admitting you're wrong, you know?
But
Yeah,
of
it's okay
course.
about that. Yeah, it's okay about that.
Yeah.
So the other point is 0.60, 2.02. That's right here. Alia, finish it up. Where's the next point? We start two more.
2.00. You
Just
do
two.
that one just now?
Nah, the
And
one.
1.97.
Wait, no, yeah, this is 0.8020, 2.00.
What?
So this is 1 point. These are another.
Uh-huh.
These are another point.
Oh,
A
okay.
point has an
Sorry.
x and a y value.
No, yeah. The y value could be 2.00 and the x value could be 0.80.
Or you know what best fit line on it?
What you say?
If you know what a best fit line, like best fits.
No.
All of them thing in
It's
graph.
and like the best fit line is the line that best fits all the points. So like all the points don't have to be in the line, it just had to be going through majority of the points. And no, yes.
Yes, get it part.
No, it's just that he muted now, so he know he muted. Oh,
I don't know.
Alright, well, I had to take
Reggie,
over teaching this
you
class.
are muted.
Everything okay?
Maybe his girlfriend fight him, and then he
Yeah,
come
they
and
did not
said,
read the chat. The man thinking on a call.
"Oh, my bad." But
I
like,
was
you
hearing
never
everything all
know.
they saying, you know. I was on a call.
No, but
Karen call.
no, but like you never
Yeah.
know. You know, he could have dropped down and dead with his head.
If I was dead, I would not mute my mic.
And no, he probably mute before and then it happened.
Really, oh my God. Right?
But
And what
then the mouse was clicking too.
what's the next point? A little girls and guys problem. What's the next point? What's the next point? The last point.
1.0. No, that's the X one. 1.00. I think. Yeah, yeah. And the Y one is 1.97.
Right? Right. So Aliyah, you heard what best fit is from them?
Yeah.
So Aliyah, I want you to look at this graph. Do all of the points pass through? Do all of them line up? Like
No.
exactly? No,
No.
they don't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of average. Like, let me give you an example. So like that right there, that's our best fit.
Mm-hmm.
So you see all the points do line up, but it's a kind of average for all the points. Yeah. Let me know if you understand that. So it's just an average.
Yeah.
And normally when you're doing best fits, you want to have like the same amount of points on the left side of the ruler, on the right side of the ruler. So I
Yeah.
wouldn't do it like this. Because then I will have like what 1, 2, 3, 4 points outside. I want to be in the middle. Like so. Your eyes, how he was like, he know he unmuted. That was hilarious, yes. That was real case. Right. No, I feel like I could do a better best fit than that. So yeah, you see how it have like some points on one side and some points on the other side of the line? And just looking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right. So I want somebody to tell me what the y-intercept looking like. So the y-intercept, that's where a line cuts in the y-axis. Anybody? You know what I mean? Super accurate. Everybody went real quiet. Hmm.
Hmm?
Nicholas, I know you like
What
archaeology.
was what was the question?
where is the line cutting the y-axis?
Oh,
Wait, tell me make it a bit easier for you. I will make it a little nicer for you.
I don't understand.
My girlfriend says she doesn't understand.
Well, yeah, that's what mean for me to say that with G.
Okay, key error.
This is the
error.
right. We can put on this. What do you mean it cut the new y-axis?
You go see, you go see.
So it had to be this point or this point.
Oh no, yeah. But the ruler.
Oh. The y-axis. Oh, so it's up here. We can put that-
Yeah, so you see this right here?
Oh,
That's what I mean by cutting the y-axis.
math's so easy.
Guys, she's saying that math is easy.
No, I did not. I didn't know it was too easy.
So Nicholas, straight off, you wind this up from what I looking like.
That looking like 2.11. No,
No,
no, no,
but
no.
then this could be 2.1.
2.10.
Here, yeah. Tamo, is it 2.1? 2.11.
2.102.
And how you figure out that? Explain to the class.
Well, it couldn't be in the wait, hold on. It couldn't be in the hundreds place because like it have thing already on top there.
You're talking
So
like no, you're talking like here.
I know. I taken some of Shilingo.
All right.
So if it not in the hundreds place, then it had to be in the thousands place. So thing na. And well, it have 5 small blocks in every big block. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 2 will be one small tiny block. You understand?
That's a lot to digest. Tell me if this is what you mean. So, Aliyah, how much was the space between this block and that block? What's the space? Like, how much?
A centimeter.
Nah, that's not what I mean. So, like, what's the difference between 2.11 and 2.10? How much one of the big?
Oh, 0.1. No, 0.01.
Nah, 0.1.
Point
Or
zero zero one. Sorry.
0.001.
Yeah, 0.01. Yeah.
Right? You're saying it correct. And you had and that 0.01, that's cut into how much different parts?
5.
5. So you go say 0.01 divided by 5. So what up?
Yeah. What?
Yeah, a little confused.
No, what do you say? I didn't hear what you say.
So the big block is 0.01 and I'm cutting it into 5 different parts. So I will divide it by 5 to find how much one individual small part is.
Right.
So plug it into the calculator.
Oh, so you're just finding for one tiny block.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
I think I will.
You're supposed to get 0.002. Nicholas, I don't think you did see that. You did say 0.002.
Yeah, I said would I be in the thousands place 0.002.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
nice.
I have 1 over 500.
That's the same thing as 0.002. Aliyah, you get 2 by 10 to the power minus 3.
Yeah.
That's the same thing as 0.002. Yeah,
Okay.
right? So then read this off from one. This will be 2 point, that'll be 2.1. So you can plug it into the calculator.
2.12.
So now
Which is
2.1.
check it out. So the 1 in the 0 place, the 0 in the 0 place. So that'll be
With
2.10.
them multiplying.
Multiply.
I don't know. What you say?
So what is one of these small blocks equal to?
0.002.
Right. So I'm gonna line it up, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I go in one space up, so now I add in 0.002.
Oh, okay.
So that'll be 2.102 because the one in the zero place, the zero in the zero place, and then 2.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I understand.
So that'll be
Alright.
2.102. And so that's my y-intercept, right? So they want me to figure out, well, I draw my graph. They want me to find the value for A and K. This is where it gets a bit tricky. So, Aliyah, what was the y-intercept again equal to? Where you getting the graph?
2.102.
Right? And from our equation, what was the y-intercept equal to? Remember, from our equation, what was equal to?
The P is equal to AK. No,
C
wait,
is equal to what? Check it out.
C is equal C
Yeah, what was C equal to? See, remember, C is the
log
y-intercept.
A.
Right. So log A is really equal to 2.102. Hence,
Yeah.
because then C is log A.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, C is equal to log A. Here are you following?
You hearing me?
And now here.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. I thought my mic wasn't working last second.
Oh, Nicholas, you understand?
Yeah.
You see that kind of intro? I never hear a song so intro before.
No. I understand, I understand.
All right. My girlfriend wants me to explain what intercept is. Kiara, you can explain what intercept is?
um, um, basically, I don't know if this is correct though, because I just use real weird lingo. But like, intercept is like say it have the y and then have the x intercept, right? So the y intercept is where the line cuts in it. I don't know if that making sense or
Yeah.
not.
So the line cut in on the y-axis here, so that's y-intercept.
Yeah. So like it's kind of like I don't know how to explain like a collision. So when the line cross like the the, the axis, that's the intercept. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But cut it.
Yeah. Cut it. Yeah.
Nice.
Also, it's very line intersecting the graph.
Yes, it's very line intersecting the graph.
Wow.
So guys, just remember log is like what is log base what? What is log? What is log?
And
Right? So LG is log base 10. So here what? I remember how to convert log form to indice form or not? Judging by the silence, I think I'll forget. Let me just do a small example. Aliyah, if I had log base 864, that would be equal to what? We had to raise 8 to get 64. 8 to what power is 64?
2.
Right? So this is the log form. If I want to write this in the index form, that'll be what to what is equal to what?
Wait. Hold on. That could be so. No.
8 to the
64.
power 2 is 64.
Yeah.
But if I ask my question, she won't follow along. Yeah. So Aliyah, how would I write this in indice form?
64 is equal to 8 squared.
Yep, that is correct. So I want you to follow that same logic over here now. So look at this as an example. The 64 is the answer. And together that is this to this power.
So 10 to the power 2.102 is equal to A.
Yep. So plug that into your calculator and tell me what A is equal to.
Okay.
Nicholas, you understand that? Very quiet. Hmm.
Well, 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 well.
I
I
don't
get
think I'm explain what with
126.47.
you. They get 126,
Yeah, 1.6. I got that too.
right? My girlfriend got that as well. Wow. They got for themselves. Right? So Nicholas, let me shed some light there. If you didn't know, the log function is telling you what power it had array summing to. Let me give you an example. So Nicholas, if you have log base 749, what power you had array 7 to get 49?
You how to raise it to 7.
Nah, 7 to the power 7. Plug that into your calculator. Plug that into your calculator. You will see what happens.
Give my calculator and think, oh, I had a flashlight. Oh God.
Nah,
Alright,
7 to the
7.
power. 7 to the power 7. That is not
Oh God, where's that?
So 7 to what power is 49? 7 what is
Oh,
49?
7 to the power 2.
Right, so your answer is 2. Yeah. That's what the log functions do. It is telling you where you had to raise the number to get your answer. So let me show you an example. I want you to put log 50 in a calculator. Enter log that's understood to be log base 10, right?
Log. Huh? Oh wait, hold on.
Your calculator, and it's just log.
Yeah,
So that's log base 10, right?
yeah.
I want you to put log base 10 50 in a calculator, or just log 50.
That is 1.7. Approximately 1.7.
Like, give us some more accurate value. So like 1.9,
Alright, 1.6989.
right? And let me show you something. By doing that, I know what I have to raise 10 to get 50. So let me show you an example. So I want you to put 10 to the power 1.6989 and tell me where you go.
I get 49.9999.
Where's that basically? So that is what the log function is do. It is tell you what power you had to raise a number to. I wonder if you understand.
Yeah, I understand that.
So I could write, so this is the log form, but the index form, I could write it as, make a guess.
Just you could just write it to the power of whatever it is.
So take an example from this. So it was log base 864 is equal to 2. So to get 64, I had to raise 8 to the power 2.
Yeah.
How would this look?
So well, that would be 7 to the power 2 is equal to 49.
And that make perfect sense?
Yeah.
And over here, it will be
50 to the power 1.6989 is equal to 10. Wait, no, 10 is equal to 10 to the power yeah.
so we do the same thing over here. We just convert that to this.
Mm,
If you understand that.
yeah, I understand.
Right. So if I want to get A, I have to raise 10 to the power 2.102. Right, so that's A. We found the value for A. Awesome. I'll leave this working here in case you all want to look back at it something, right? So we ended off with a bang. Everybody should be all right with logs after this. So we find for E. Now, Nicholas, which one, Y, M, X, or C? Which one have K in it? Which one have K in it?
Okay.
Yeah,
M
M. And M is a what?
is the gradient.
So we had to find the gradients. So to find the gradient, you need 2 points. Well, luckily for us, we already have this point here. Read off that point for me.
Which one?
This one over here, the
Oh,
Y.
that's 2.102.
Nah. It's always the x value first and the y value. If you're on the
Oh, like that.
Mhm.
Okay, well then that is 0 and then 2.10.
right? Right, so we need another point on the graph.
Um,
You know this point looking all right? This point over here.
yeah,
Read off our point for me.
that is 0.9 and 1.98.
0.9. Awesome. And now we had the 2 points, we could find the gradients. You remember the formula for gradients?
Yeah, y2 minus y1 by x minus x
y2 minus y1 is equal to
over x2 minus x1.
out of all the past papers, this kind of question only came in 2017. So there's a very low chance a question like this will ever come. And in recent years, they don't really have a lot of questions. Yeah. Just thought I'd say that in case Ali was worrying. Kira, I feel like you're worrying about this, this. You find it difficult or you find it's all right?
This I find it normal, but like you see, like not like this part of logs are normal about, but like it have like other parts of logs, like
Like what
yeah, like the different topics I logs, like say like that one topic we was doing just now. Wait, where is the book?
the log equations?
Yeah, that I didn't like I used to get mixed up and confused with it. Like I understand it, but like I still used to get mixed.
Hmm. You'll be a little better at it. So Nicholas, which one you want to see is x1, y1, and which one you want to see is x2, y2? It doesn't matter.
Well, y2 would be 2.102. Y1 would be
Mhm.
y1 would be 1.98.
So then this will be x2 and this will be a y1.
x1 x1.
What the hell are you doing? What? Bro. All right, y1 again. My brain is tweaking. Right, so the gradient here. And just remind me, but I'm gonna do that when we finish there, don't worry. So let me just plug it in now. So tell me what to write. Where's y2?
Here it's in 2.102 minus 1.98 all over 0 minus 0.9.
Yeah, so plug that in. Ladies, I want to let her plug that into like I see you want to send it on your chat. Nicholas has to see the way. Yeah.
We'll see the way.
Which one only wants to volunteer and plug it in on like I see. My girlfriend grabbed the shaft. Oh, that's if we don't do we don't use that.
Oh yeah, you say that because there's a new shop you had an by Casio.
Yeah.
Um, organizing WhatsApp business, right?
Alright.
So the plan I want to add.
Yeah, any of you ladies plug it into the calculator and send it on the chat.
I'm gonna send it, but I don't know if that's correct.
You can
Cause I get negative.
yes, it's supposed to get a negative.
Okay, 61 over 450.
Commuters are decimal.
Um. Okay, I send it. That's one.
Is it minus 0.14?
When you round it, yeah.
Nice. That's what I get.
Okay.
They got this off. Imagine if you had a sharp here. Imagine.
Oh gosh.
Big up.
Right? And here what? Aliyah, according to our equation, M was equal to what? What was M equal to?
M was equal to minus K.
Right? So look how I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna say minus K. This is fancy symbol, but it does mean approximately. Anytime you round off, you go put that symbol in. So, if minus K is minus 0.14, we think K will be equal to
0.14.
and those are your two answers for this question. What do you think, Aliyah? You think? It's like, all right, it was manageable.
What?
You think it was like manageable, this question?
Yeah.
Right, so that's it. So you all could take down your little notes something. Right, but we are officially done with logs. Aliyah, your song kinda vex, kinda iffy. Let me know what's going on.
Mhm.
What's going on?
Ugh. Mm.
Sounding real grumpy. What's going on? Somebody tell you something?
Need to give
No.
It's our class going over so long.
shit close.
No, it's not.
Hey, my girlfriend keeps slapping my hand and I keep it. Oh, my girlfriend say because you like logs and this is the last class for logs, it's sad.
Yeah. Okay.
I can tell I was very sincere. Oh, come straight from the heart.
Sorry.
So this is the last thing for class today. Last thing for class today. Right, so that's it for logs. So I know you're tired, so I will send the notes and you all can copy down the notes from the document. Yeah. So Nicholas, you okay?
Ah,
Nicholas, you all right?
yeah, I know, man, I know, man.
All right. Next class we will finish on time. This class I just really wanted to finish logs. So we finish the logs then. Kiera, you all right?
Yeah, I just had to like go over it and try and memorize stuff.
Yes. Plenty questions. So I have a test. I will send you all the test and you could try it. I have to make a solutions with you. But you all will do the test and send it off. All right, so guys, thanks for coming and staying so long. All right, have a good night, guys.
Bye.
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 Supposed